No, actually I hide the column which is in PAN numbers. So it's not a right method to reveal others' PAN numbers that to in social networks. For that reason, I hide this PAN numbers. And now, Gautam, you tell me, is it possible? Is it possible to get only the TDS amount as per two criteria, that is name and a month? So how you will do as per your knowledge? How you will do? Gautam, are you busy? If you're busy, I will
No, sir,
stand.
I didn't get the question.
Actually, listen. Actually, there are names and month. Here also names and months here like this.
Okay, sir.
Names and months. And he wants to find only the TDS amount. Should be a month wise. Like it is April. Sirisha April. So it has to get 40,000 April. Here it has to get 40,000. How is it possible?
40,000
As per month, as per name and a month.
as per name and month.
And the month. Here it is. Because I don't want to share file also in groups because it's official one. Just
Okay,
for
sir.
that
Okay.
reason, I'm showing you only this thing.
Mm, maybe VLOOKUP, VLOOKUP will not execute this one, sir.
No,
That,
how can you say VLOOKUP will work over here?
no,
In
sir.
what
No,
way?
sir. I'm saying VLOOKUP cannot do this. I mean,
Yes, VLOOKUP cannot do this, right?
sir, can we use some product?
Okay, but okay, we'll try with some product. After that, I'll show you another method. Okay, we'll try with some product. As you said, is equal to this. I'm locking the column equal to the whole table F4 as you said. Okay, again it is selected this one. No worries. I'll do like this, reverse order is better. F4 equal to this one. I'm removing the sheet reference, right? And later I will do it like this. Is anything month equal to April? F4 equal to April 4. I'm locking the row but not the column.
So why
I'm
is
removing.
not the sheet one that is highlighted? I
No,
mean,
no,
like
because listen, it is in different sheet. It will highlight, but it is in different sheet.
okay, sir. Okay.
So it will highlight automatically, but we can't able to see. That's it.
Okay, sir.
And another one which is the TDS amount F4. Come back to the same field. Close parenthesis. Wait a minute. I'll highlight this one also. Close parenthesis, and I highlight and I will show where it is. 40,000 is not there. Let's do some product, then we will come to know. I'll do some product here. I have to control shift enter. See, what I'll do here, I will make it here plus. Okay, because it's an or, not and. So then also it's not working.
Sir, how about sum if?
Sum if will not work. Because here the duplicates are there.
Okay, sir.
Okay, wait a minute. The sheet reference is not properly. It is showing sheet 2, but it is sheet 1. F4, enter. I'll remove this one and I will use this one, and I'll remove extra brackets for this. I logged everywhere. Then why it is showing 0? Okay, here I did not log it. Where? Here I did not log it. B, yes. Showing another amount, I think so. It is doing all the sum. F2. Let me check February. This one. Okay, let me check. February. Remove all things and remove place only February. Got it, Gautam?
116443.
Correct only, correct only. What I mean to say, correct only. I said correct, whatever you did.
Okay, sir.
But here is another thing is there. Like September, here it is there. So we'll check September is there or not for the Dr. Sirisha for month of September. 40,000 is there. Here it is showing 0. Why so?
So maybe reference was
Yes,
not
go
correct.
ahead, go ahead. Go ahead, go ahead.
I think maybe there is some error in reference,
No.
so that it is
No,
miscalculating.
no, not like that. Think.
Maybe it has uh, same data, I mean like duplicate values, so that it cannot.
No. If it is duplicate, it will give you the another amount, but not the 0.
So maybe it didn't found the data we mentioned. I mean, what we have given.
Yes, it did not find it. Why? Because we have, in this scenario, if it is there, then also if it is not finding, then we have to check, is there any extra spaces over the names and the months? In
Okay,
the
sir.
month, it is not there, see. Here it may be, let me check, here also not there. Here F2, here also not there. And last thing, here we have to check, where is September? F2. There is extra space in the month.
Okay, sir.
In this type of scenarios, you have to do like this.
Okay, sir.
And another method I will show you. Only when it is there a numbers. If it is not a numbers to extract, suppose it is having some other values, but not the numbers. If it is numbers, we can easily find it out by using some product. But if it is not a number, something else is there, then how you will do that one? Example, I'll show you. Wait a minute. If it is the names like this, name 1, enter. Yes. Now, is it work with names? If we take the
It,
names, yes, go ahead.
no, sir. Since it is
No.
multiplying, it will show 0.
Yes, yes.
I mean, some product, some product.
Yes, yes. But some product it will show you not 0. It will show you some other errors, like value error.
Okay, sir.
Okay, it's a value. So it is showing us there is some error in value. For that reason, it will show you the value error. So for this reason, what we have to do means there is a function called index. For some product, it is right. Whatever you said, it is right. But if it is names, okay, what I'll do, just I'll copy over this here. Control C and I place in another sheet. Right here. Okay, I'm removing I'm removing this whole data, and we are finding in that it will find the numbers as well as the names in this scenario, in this formula, that is called index. Okay, is equal to index of what it is. Sheet 1 is there. What we need names. So simply to make you understand, I'm using this one. Okay,
Okay,
comma, and what it is, match of, you have to concatenate two things here.
yes, sir.
Match of name and
Month.
sorry, name. First we'll take this one, F4 locking for the, what you'll say, this one, yes, ampersand and month, locking the column, yes, comma, I don't know why it is showing the big size. I don't know why it is showing. Okay, so concatenate these two things, and I'll remove the sheet reference. Unnecessarily, it will mess up all the things. Right? And just go to there. First of all, what we did, this one, the names one. So add names, F4, ampersand. Now the months. Whole range we have taken. Okay. Whole range we have taken. F4, comma, 0. Double brackets. And it's an array function. Control Shift and Enter.
Oh.
NES means it's not founded. Okay.
Okay.
It's not founded. NES means it's not there. The February of the name of something. Okay. So we'll change this to, now we'll change this index part to this one, numbers. So that you'll be able to understand this one easily. Now here we took only one range. If it is whole table, definitely you have to make it match for row and match for column. But I took only the range, not the whole table. For that reason, I used only one match.
Okay, sir. Okay.
But here it won't show you the 0. It will show you NA wherever it's not there. So we will find it. This one in February. Whose name is this? In February, whose name is this? Jafrullah CSS. In February month. Let's check it whether it's wrong or not. Jafrullah is not there. Not there. So for that it is showing this one. Okay, yes, not there. Okay. Understood, Gautam?
Yes, sir.
And
Sir,
please, yes, go ahead.
what I'm asking is, could you highlight match formula F9? I mean, how it is working, or can you show me in
Okay,
step by step?
okay, 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 okay. First of all, I highlight this thing, this concatenate part. Okay,
Okay, sir.
only concatenate part I'm using F9. Uh-huh. I'll make it just big so that easily you can able to watch a little bit. All right, that's enough. F2. Now I'll highlight only the concatenate part F9. Okay,
Okay, sir.
it will contact the both. It will concatenate both things, name and a month. Now
Yes.
here I'll concatenate the whole range. Wait a minute, the whole range F9. Okay, it's having more than 8192 characters, so it's not showing that one. So it will concatenate the both things, the ranges. See how it will concatenate. I will show you. Example, I will take a little one like this.
So maybe you can show it in a formula tab, sir. Formula, evaluate formula.
Then also it will, okay, I'll try my level best to show you. If it is visible, because in Telegram, the extra dialog box, it won't be visible.
Okay, let's try once.
Okay, that's what. Alt NV. Oh, Alt TUF. Alt TUF. See, are you able to see now? But I can't
Okay,
zoom it.
okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, first of all, what it has taken, it has taken these two concatenated parts,
Yes, sir. Daughter
month and a
things
name,
is April. Okay, sir. Okay.
and it joined both things without any extra spaces between the concatenate. We are not using any extra spaces between the two values, that is name and a month.
Okay, sir.
And here what it is showing adding both ranges.
Okay, sir.
Are you able to see that one?
Yes, sir.
It's adding both things, the name as well as month. Here you can able to see this one.
Yes, sir. First match, I
Yes,
guess.
yes. So it is picking that one. One.
Oh,
So
okay,
index
sir.
will pick up the first row and it will give you the value.
Oh,
Okay,
okay, sir.
thank you so much. Thank you so much for asking this elaborate thing.
Sir,
Because directly I went there, I did not show you anything, but you asked because so many people is having the same doubt.
sir, I think there will be certain limitations for concatenating data. I mean, for lookup fetching that values. I think.
Yes, yes. No, no, I think so. It's not there.
I mean, like,
In what way you are? Can you tell me in what way you are telling that one?
I think,
Any
sir,
example?
is there any limitations? I mean, like, when you join both arrays, I mean, like, you are joining both data, right, in an array for match function. I mean, like, can it work in all type of scenarios, or it will work in only
In
like
all type
in?
of scenarios, like that, like this also you can do the same thing. I will do the same thing, but instead of match, what I'll do in so many ways are there. Instead of match, what I'll just I'm removing this one. What I'll do, just I will keep equal sign and concatenate part is there. I'll remove this one also. I'll use equals instead of comma. I use equal sign. Here also it will work. Here also it will work. It will concatenate these two things and it will concatenate these two things. So it will show you the true. So what I'll do here, match of true. Wherever it finds the true, so give me that value.
Okay, sir.
But here is an array function.
So in case, imagine we are giving index an array instead of an entire column or an entire row, still it will work.
Can you repeat once again slowly?
I mean, so imagine in index first argument we are giving an array instead
Yes.
of an entire row or specifically entire column. Can it still work, or it will have
It will work.
to do another
It will
thing?
work. It will work. It will work. Because actually, for entire it will not work. You mean to say you want to select the whole table, right? Instead of taking only one range, why don't we take the whole table?
Yes, sir.
No, no,
I
no.
mean, like
Because
not
yes,
here, but in case in a real life
yes, yes.
working
See, see,
data
see,
connection.
see, see. If it is February over here, instead of row, if it is in columns like this, instead of here, if it is here, then you can use index of two sides. Suppose index of here it is there. I'll keep here. Okay. First of all, I'll remove this filter function. What I'll do instead of April, I'll use April over here. Somewhere else, not there in that data, somewhere else. Okay. Then in this scenario, if you want to find anything which is it should match the name and a month. Suppose here it is there, Gautam is there. Suppose, example. So if you want to find the Gautam, then you have to use index of the whole table. Still Gautam. F4, comma. Here we have to find the two things. One thing is Dr. Sirisha and another thing is April. Match of this, comma. Here only I am taking. You can take in another table also.
Okay, sir.
Comma 0. And here is the row part is over. Now the column part is match of April. Yes, F4, comma. Go to somewhere else, or else you can select this one also. If it is another sheet, you have to select over there, comma 0. Now it has become the normal function. It's not an array function. Simply press enter. If you are finding the both ways, like a row and a column, the intersection of the row and a column, suppose it is there C3 and H3. Here it is. Wait a minute. So H3. So this thing and this thing. Oh, this thing.
I think you should control press. I think maybe it is not.
This one.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Wait a minute. I'll color it. Okay, it will take all colors. Control Z. Only this part is colored. Okay, first of all, I'll make it this color. This one and this one. The intersection in both column as well as row. If it is, but we are taking only one range, but not the whole table. Just we need only one range.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Right, only one range. For that reason, you have to use match and concatenate parts. If it is numbers, okay, some product will work. But if it is a text like this, then you have to use index and match.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Any doubts? And the
Sir,
person asked, yes, go ahead.
I have doubt, but this is not regarding, I mean, this query. No,
Yes,
actually, this query, actually, conditional formatting, sir, I have some doubts.
Okay, go ahead. I will try my level best to solve it.
Sir, can we conditional format? I mean, I have to want to set a condition for a cell that is having a text, and when I edit the text, it has to highlight.
Edit the text means I did not get you.
Sir, imagine that the cell C3 Dr. C. Sirisha Saramu. I
Okay.
want to highlight it in case it was edited. I mean, is
Okay.
it
If
possible
someone,
by
if some edits, it has to change
correct?
automatically. Is that
It has
like
to
this?
highlight.
Yes, I got your point.
Is it
Mm.
possible?
Mhm. Means if someone will edit this, we have to know that it's something wrong went over here.
Yes, sir.
Right. Yes. 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 Okay. I'll try this one. What way it will work? Because if it is in whole range, if it is only one thing, we can mention it. Like if this is equal to this only, then we can do it. But where it's the whole table, okay, we'll do one thing. One thing we'll do, we'll take one thing. Like first of all, what you'll do means find it, take it out. Control C. I'll paste over here. Control V, and I'll remove duplicates. Duplicates are there in data. Remove duplicates. Continue with current selection. Yes. Here we can do. See how I'll do. See.
Okay, sir.
It is a way. It is a way. Very, very good. What I'll do, I'll match with this. Okay, I'll match. Is there anything with this name? F4, comma 0. So it will give you the position. Okay, we'll make it here because there we have to do conditional format. So we have to do here like this. Match of, not match. Instead of match, we'll take directly what is the use because the duplicates are there. F4. I'll make it and because is anything should correct. If it is 1 equal to 1, okay. If 1 is equal to a range, if you type like this, it will pick up true and falses, but it will not pick up the exact which one is true. For that reason, you have to use AND function to evaluate only one false. While showing control shift enter, sorry, control enter. Why it is showing false? Why value error?
I think more than one argument is required, sir, for AND.
Yes.
But you have given
No,
only one.
no. It will work. It will work. It's not a problem. It will work. I think extra spaces. Let me check by selecting once again. F9. Okay, actually you have to use or, not and. Because each and everything should be true. Then only it will pick up the true.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Because truth and falses are there. For that reason, if anything true, see, all are truths. Because all are there. What I'll do here, I will make it this selection, Control C. I'll select only this range, Alt HLN. I don't know why this dialog box will not visible to you. If everything is visible, it should be visible this one also. What I'll do, I'll format this one with some other color that is purple or yellow or something. Wait a minute. Right. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now I will change this one. I'll change this one. Okay, with other name. Someone will change this name with Gautam. Or edited some name. Okay, we'll think that someone is edited instead of O, he typed 0.
Yes, sir.
Then also it will not work. If someone will change anything, because we have given the condition that it should be true. If it is not true, then pick up the, show me another color.
Okay.
Understood? Any doubts in this? Or we will try that. Okay. We'll try that. It should be another color other than blue. If someone changes, it should not come white like this. It should come another color which is not, which other than white.
Okay, sir. Okay.
That's better. One condition is there. Okay. So what I'll do here only what I'll do, I'll use not function. It should not true, because that one, the conditional format will understand only the true. So we are making false as a true, converting false as a true. So it will become, it's an array function, true. So what I'll do here, same procedure, I'll copy this one, Control C, escape, and again I'll select the same range, Alt H L N, go to the cell format. Here it is, and I'll format purple color. Here I will do changes. Wait. Suppose if I Control Z, okay, Control Y. I forgot the name. Okay, copy paste it. Control C, Control V. It's not working, so we will make to work here. Alt OD. Alt OD. For conditional format only. Are you able to visible this one? Not now.
No, sir. Conditional formatting, I'm not getting to see anything.
I'll make it will come down. The blue color will come down. So we'll change it to upside. The blue color will, the two things will come. First one is purple, which we did whenever it is a wrong, then show me the purple color. Are you able to understand, Gautam? If it is wrong, if someone edits something,
yes, sir,
then it should become the purple color. Else it should be in blue color only. So in conditional format dialog box, what it will show you means it will show the reverse. First it will show you the purple, then it will show you the blue color. So what I'll do, I will make it purple as a 1 and blue as a 1 and purple as a 2.
Okay, sir.
By default, it will show you the purple as a 1.
Okay, sir.
Do you understand? The mistake, it will show you the default thing. Okay, whatever we edit, it will show you the 1. So what I'll do, whatever it is there, first of all, see that one. First of all, see that one. If it is okay, then okay. If someone edits, then it will convert to purple.
Okay, sir.
Let's try this one. F2. I did not select it, I think so. Wait a minute. I did not select this one range. Alt OD. Is true. Right only. Yes. We'll make it this one. First of all, let's check it out. It has to change actually. That is the method. Okay, I will make it this one. So blue one also is not changing. Somewhere it's wrong, I think so. Why? Control C. Okay. The thing is that if you want to remove a conditional format, if you will copy some other value from somewhere else and paste it in the same place here, then it will remove the conditional format. So that's the thing happen over here. Again, we have to do a conditional format. So if anything, paste it from other value to here. Got it, Gautam? That's the thing I did. What I'll do here, just I'll type as it is. It has to come actually. Okay, I'll check it out this one. Okay, I'll check it out this one. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Gautam. Thank you so much for your queries.
Thank you, sir. Sir, next time I think we should try Gmail Meet, sir. Sir, it is hard to understand for in case that conditional formatting or other dialog box is not appearing.
Okay. Zoom, some Zoom or something.
Gmail Meet or Zoom. I think we should try that.
Listen. It is there. Option is there. Not like that. But what the reason? What the mistake is? We are unable to record that one.
Okay, sir.
Only live session is there. Recording session is not there.
I think in Zoom it is possible, sir, for recording, but I don't know about Gmail Meet exactly.
Okay. Okay. I'll try in Zoom. Okay. As you said, I try in Zoom. Okay. By next meeting, I will make it that one only. Let me study about the first of all Zoom. If it is okay, I will make it that one.
Okay, sir. I will also search about Gmail Meet. I mean, can we record or not?